Dabu 7. Want to talk about Comet ISON. A lot of information today coming out about Comet ISON. We're at the Yahoo Group's discussion forum here on comets, and the main topic, ISON. And today they're saying that there is an outburst taking place on ISON, which means it is getting brighter, which is good news for all of us that want to see a show. They say that within the coming days, if it keeps this up from this outburst, that ISON could be visible by the naked eye if you catch it the right spot and the sky is dark enough and it's not obstructed by city light. So we have a really good chance of seeing at least a decent show from ISON here coming up. Now, this is a shot somebody had released today that raised concern of a possible disconnection event in the plasma tail of ISON, as you can see right here. But this was kind of a grainy image. We take a look at another image taken from another observatory from today. A lot clearer. And what do we see? We see three tails coming off of Comet ISON. Yesterday it was two, which is common, but now we're seeing three. Now, there's been a lot of speculation on Comet ISON. What is it? People are saying they've watched this comet for the past 50 years, or they've watched comets for the past 50 years, and this comet looks nothing like any one they've ever seen. That says a lot in itself. It's changing form and shape and color. Now we have three tails. You can see it right here. We'll see where it goes from here, but I'm going to leave a link. I put out a video here recently of the high video footage in Japan of ISON. I want you guys to go back and take a really good look at it, because in it, if you replay it like I'm going to show you here, there's a secondary object next to ISON and what looks to be a plasma jet come off this back side. All of these frames are taken in different space-time, so they're not the same. Just pay close attention to the object right here on the left side of it. That is what is most interesting. And also the fact that we have three tails now on Comet ISON. So that's the details as of now. We'll wait and see what happens. As it is brightening and giving these outbursts, it's a good thing. Hopefully we'll see it. All of us will see it with the naked eye. But there's always the danger that people may fear of an electrically charged comet hitting the sun and the effects that it will have as well. Who knows? It's yet to be seen. It may happen. Thanksgiving, right around Thanksgiving, being the perihelion of Comet ISON. And many people also ask, why isn't this thing pulled into the sun with such a massive gravitational pull? That's just how it works. Some of the comets survive, some of them don't. And if this one does, I guarantee you it will put on a hell of a show. If it survives. Also, one last thing I want to note is this possible kill shot and this possible effect that happened 15,000 years ago of an outburst of energy from the sun. Like the whole sun ripping apart. Like one huge CME. This is possible from the impact of a large object, or an electrically charged object, or comet, as you see. Not saying that that's what's going to happen here, but it could definitely be what causes disaster down the road if a large comet, large enough, was to hit that sun with an impact. What do you think is going to happen? I'll leave links, guys. Till next time, this has been Dabu 7, Eyes to the Skies.